Welcome to igmGuru. igmGuru is one of the global leading online training and certification provider for IT expert by the skilled IT gurus to help them achieve their professional goals.
Data warehouse, it's one kind of central repository. You might have different systems and you see in a different systems, why we have a different systems. It may be you inventory, you procure the inventory from some different vendors. You might have a different system for to procure the it's like you are a e-commerce business and you might have bought the items from the vendor and placing in your website. So that is one system. Even your order management system is different. Like again, someone is purchased from your website and you are getting the items from the vendor and then you are giving to the through a carrier, right? Courier, right? That's how. So there will be different systems involved. So unlikely when I want to do a report, I may have a different systems and different. So all together, I will build a data warehouse, pulling the data from different sources. And before pulling it, I wanted to analyze it, how I can go with it. So in a data warehouse, they use the dimensional modeling. So you wanted to you wanted to design you wanted to pull the data through a different like design called dimensional modeling. So when you see the data warehouse, it supports the business intelligence activities. So whatever the reporting tools does, which is actually pulled from it can also pull from the OLTP system. But OLTP generating every day, right? Every moment. So and that data you might have a different n number of columns. You don't want to deal with all those data. So you wanted to deal with data that helps you to grow your business. So that's why the data warehouse has come. And these are some of the characteristics that every data warehouse follows. You will be differentiating schemas based on your subject oriented. That means you might have a different cross-functional data sources or different teams that here they might be working on it and they might be updating in it. So in even your data warehouse, you might be following a different schema structure to pull the different sources data into the single system, and it should be integrated. So when you build the tables, it should be a primary foreign key relationship between the tables. So based on time variant. So you wanted to see last month's sales, last year's sales, or last 3 years sales, or every weekly sales. So non-volatile, see, because you pull the data, it may not vary every time. So you are pulling data for historical reason, you wanted to querying it and you want to get it. So non-volatile means it may not be varying. You are getting the data, new data every time. So but the existing data, it won't be varying. And so why we use data warehouse? What are the benefits? So it improved the decision making, and you can't query a number of different source systems in one system. You can't write a query. So if it is two different tables, two different databases. So when you bring along all these into one system, and you will be able to querying data and asking for a visualization, asking for a data which business wanted, and so enhanced data quality, competitive advantage. So you wanted to make sure that your business is growing and you're making some decisions. So based on this data warehouse will help you to query the data and see uh, how it is actually flowing to the business. So Kimball's approach, this is the famous approach that every data warehouse follows. And so first you need to identify the business requirement. Let's say if I am building a data warehouse, if I am being a big company, when I am building it, I should have some purpose, right? So first understand your business and then try to design it. So design the dimensional model and implement the ETL process, and also provide the security layer there. So you can't, someone should not access it, right? It's your system. So you need to protect the system with the different governing rules. So all this followed in a data warehousing.
Thanks for watching the video. For full course, please visit www.igmguru.com and enroll today.